Wow. I said I was gonna wake up at 5 a.m, do a jog, driving lessons, get my hair done.
I'm gonna say this one more time, baby. OCC, Katarina, boy.
So what's good, Lolo?
Because I'm probably like 3 out of 10 times gonna be correct.
Put on for the team. I'm a young Martin Luther cause this is nothing but a dream.
And it's now like 7 a.m. and I'm still here. I'm still here. You get me? What is this life? Okay, stop it. Stop it. Not happening.
But boy,
People keep saying, me, you've gained some weight. Yes, I have. Ghana, West Africa was good to me. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do some Britney Babe workout. Get these.
Here we go, babes.
she asked me when I am old, I'm no longer beautiful. And when I just need to laugh, she mean I'll show my phone. Yes, I did.
It's now like 7:35, and like the world's already started. Like you work like from 8, 7. I don't know if I want to go around outside. I need to leave the camera charging. I would have taken you up, but I'll just go out there. The thing is, the house like on a hill, so it's gonna be like down the hill, up the hill, down the hill, and it's straight. I'm probably gonna be a bit more modest because this is Zimbabwe, okay? So I'm probably gonna wear like a t-shirt on top of this. So I can be more, modest in these streets. I'm finished the jog now. I'm probably gonna go either watch a movie or edit a video. I think I should edit a video first and then watch a movie. Driving lessons. Made some driving lessons. Here is the car. Oh, I'm so excited. Get my hair done. Get rid of my natural hair. Get some locks. I don't know if it's gonna be nice or not, but I just know that I need to get something done. Okay, so I'm getting my hair done now at the corner, like literally just outside. That's my hairdresser. I like it. Even my dip. Put it and then dip. My looks. I don't even know what it is. Salsa. Kashiba. So guys, I'm a Kashiba movie. Wolverine. What happened?
I wish I had the gumbo with me. Bro.
What's a gumbo?
The stabilizer.
Oh.
Yeah.
But tell me your story. What happened at the plug?
Well, somebody just hit the window of the car.
Oh.
And then boom.
Like that?
Yeah. She met Lolo, another Lolo.
I've never been around the world, so I don't talk about girls that I don't even know about.
I'm the only real one. Everyone else is fake.
So what's good, Lolo?
I bought some alcohol.
Why did you buy the alcohol though?
Why did I? Because I heard that it makes me look cool.
You want to go with them?
Where are we going?
Wherever they're going.
Police. We saw the police.
Again. Yeah, then this. Who did you go buy alcohol with? Which guy? Oh, that guy. Sweezy. His other name is Tatenda. Like we have 3 Tatendas in the studio.
I'm gonna use Tatenda. That's
No, you can't use that. That's Why the fuck did you call
That
him?
way, because I'm probably like 3 out of 10 times it's gonna be correct. But the 10th
Oof, oof.
Pass that camera here, nigga. Let's see your outfit of the day. What are you wearing today? Shoes. T-shirt. You like stripy t-shirts though. I seen a stripy t-shirt before. What does that mean? What?